as a physics student, one of the fundamental things you need to know is unit conversion. So let's get started. Number one here, millimeter to meter. If you want to change millimeter to meter, what you just have to do is multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. When you are being given millimeter, or let's say you have millimeter and you need to change it to meter, just multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. Here's an example. Let's say you have 5 millimeters and you want to have this change to meter. What you just have to do is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3 meters. This will be your answer. You are being given 5 millimeters and you want to change it to meter. Just have that 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. But in the case where you want to change meter back to millimeter, you want to change meter back to millimeter, then you are going to have times 10 raised to power 3. Just remove the negative sign. Please don't get this confused. Once you know this now, once you know the first part, then converting meter back to millimeter, it won't be an issue. So if you are changing millimeter to meter, multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. But if you are changing meter back to millimeter, just remove the negative sign and they are going to have times 10 raised to power 3. Alright. The next thing here is micrometer to meter. When you want to change micrometer to meter, please, this is not only limited to meter. You can also have microfarad to farad. It's still the same thing. When you have micrometer to meter, this is going to be times 10 raised to power minus 6. So if I'm changing micrometer to meter, that will be times 10 raised to power minus 6. If I'm also changing microfarad to farad, in as much as there's micro there, then it's going to be times 10 raised to power minus 6. So please just know that it is not only limited to meters. So micrometer to meter times 10 raised to power minus 6. Meter back to micrometer. What do you do then? Just remove the negative sign. Then I'm going to have times 10 raised to power 6. So let's say we have 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad now, or let me just use micrometer. 2 micrometer. Then I want to change it to meter. This will be 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Like I said, the same thing is applicable to farad. If I have 5 microfarad, this will be 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 farad. So changing microfarad to farad, micrometer to meter is times 10 raised to power minus 6. Alright. What if we have nanometer to meter? Nanometer to meter. This will be times 10 raised to power minus 9. Nanometer to meter. You get this done by multiplying by 10 raised to power minus 9. But if you are changing meter back to nanometer, what do? Just remove this negative sign, then add times 10 raised to power 9. So if I have 7 nanometer, then I want to change this to meter. This will be 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. But if I'm changing meter back to nanometer, I will just remove the negative sign there. And please, like I said, this is not only limited to meter. So we've discussed about milli, we've talked about micron, we've talked about nano. So the next one here is pico. So if I'm changing picometer to meter, it can also be picofarad to farad. It can be picoart to art. So changing picometer to meter, this will be times 10 raised to power minus 12. Picometer to meter times 10 raised to power minus 12. But meter back to picometer, that will be times 10 raised to power 12. So let's say we have 8 picofarad. Let me use meter now. 8 picometer to meter. This will be 8 times 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. So please take note of this. Then the next one now is whenever we have mega, let's say I have megameter. Megameter to meter. This will be multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. Please, there is a difference between micrometer to meter and what? Megameter to meter. For micrometer to meter, it is multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. And then for megameter to meter, it is multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. So what I have to do here, you can see that I started with the one with negative sign, then before the one with positive. So changing megameter to meter, it is times 10 raised to power 6. But meter back to megameter, that will be 10 times 10 raised to power minus 6. And you can see that this is in capital letter, megameter. Mega. Why this is what? Millimeter. Millimeter, this is what? Megameter. So it can also be mega art. This is what we call art. Use the symbol. I can have mega art. So mega art to art will also be times 10 raised to power 6. Alright, so I believe we have gained something in today's class. Please do well to like, to share, and to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed. Thank you very much.